Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mastery Methods. Today, we're diving into a goldmine of knowledge and skills: Google's offerings on Coursera. If you're looking to boost your skills for free and turn them into a source of extra income, you're in the right place. Let's get started. 1. Introduction to Coursera. Coursera partners with top universities and organizations to offer courses, specializations, and degrees. Among these partners is tech giant Google, known for its comprehensive courses, especially in the digital realm. 2. Exploring Google's free courses. While many courses on Coursera come with a fee, Google offers several courses for free. These range from digital marketing to IT support, data analytics, and more. Perfect for those looking to dive into the digital world. 3. Skill number 1. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is in high demand. Google's course covers everything from search engine optimization to social media. Completing this can open doors to freelance marketing gigs or even starting your own digital agency. 4. Skill number 2. It's support. With the world going digital, IT support specialists are crucial. Google's IT support course equips you with foundational IT skills, allowing you to offer tech support services or even land a job in the field. 5. Skill number 3. Data analytics. Data drives decisions. Google's data analytics course teaches you to interpret significant data, a skill you can offer to businesses or use to make informed decisions in your ventures. 6. Turning skills into income. Once you've honed these skills, platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and even Fiverr are great places to start offering your services. From project-based gigs to long-term contracts, the opportunities are vast. 7. Continuous learning and networking. Coursera isn't just about courses. Engage in forums, connect with peers, and join study groups. Networking can often lead to job referrals and collaborative projects. And that's a wrap on leveraging Google's free courses on Coursera to boost your skills and income. Remember, the digital realm is vast, and there's always something new to learn. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Drop your Coursera experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and earning.